Welcome to the CSO Alliance new website. This Quick Start user manual will help guide you through the key functionalities that will allow you to access new reports and news information, and also allow you to create specific reports from your area. Having logged in, you will arrive at the headlines page, which is as you see here. If you then hover your cursor over the CSO Alliance logo, you will see the full menu that is available to you. We're going to concentrate on the headlines page to start with. This represents the latest news reports and articles that have been generated from CSOA's extensive network of sector contributors from around the globe. And in essence, this is your news desk. To view any article, simply click on it and it will take you to the detail. Having read an article, you may find it particularly interesting and want to register that, and you simply click on this button here. Alternatively, you might want to make a comment. You simply type in your comment in the box here, and having completed it, you press save. Or alternatively, you may find the article of particular interest that you want to send it on to someone. You can send by email or link it to any one of your social network sites by clicking on the icons along here. Within the headlines page, there is also a powerful search tool functionality. In the box here, simply type in the keyword and it will reveal the articles associated with it. Simply click on the link and it will take you to that particular article. The next page that we're going to look at is Open Talks. So go back to the menu, click on the icon, and this brings you to the section called Open Talks. This is the section of the site where you, as a registered member of CSOA, can generate your own articles and discussions on any maritime related topic. And this is the area that brings the collaboration and interaction of your CSO community to life. So to create an article or a discussion, it's very simple. Go to this link here, post an article, click, and the following template comes up. Simply type in a title, Piracy Conference, whatever text you want to put in. This is a conference I recently attended. And then you can add any form of media to support this article. For instance, a logo, a collection of pictures, a file, an address, a slideshow, video, a link. So let's try this. Let's add a video. You know that this video is on YouTube. And there it is. Click. Save. And then save the complete article at the bottom. And now, if we go back to the menu, Open Talks, there is your article, Piracy Conference. Click, and there it is. This is a conference I recently attended. Your CSO peer group, if they find the article of interest, can obviously click here. Or again, they can add their own comments down here, or ask you a question, or take the debate further forward with information that they may have garnered about this particular topic. The next section that we're going to have a look at is reports. So we go back to the menu, down to the reports icon, click, and here is the reports page. What this represents is the amalgam of all the incident and crime reports that CSOs from around the globe have reported. And they can be viewed in 3 different ways. Either in card format, as you see here, a list, or on a map. To view a report in more detail, simply click on the report icon, and the detail page then comes forward. And this is where you will see a lot of the detail in terms of the time, and coordinated universal time, the port and country where the incident occurred, its GPS location, ship's detail, type of crime, the level of violence. You can click on the ship and it will take you through the IMO site, which will give you more up-to-date data in terms of that specific ship. And also another link which will take you to where the current vessel location is, if it is of interest. So we'll now move on to the section called New Reports. So back to Menu, click on New Reports, and here is the template that you can use to report any crime or incident that has occurred in your area. The report has been designed to be as intuitive and easy to use as possible. A combination of simple drop-down boxes and text edit boxes where necessary. I won't go through every section because it's relatively self-explanatory, as you can see. I will show you how the GPS location functionality works. Simply click in this box and a map appears. Scale it to how you want to see the map, and then simply move the icon to the location where you know the incident occurred. Save. And the GPS location data is now built in. Towards the bottom of the report template, you'll also see the additional media inputs that you can create. Whether it's adding a picture, a video, a file, or a link. It's particularly useful to add the picture of the actual vessel. If you don't have them to hand, a simple Google search will provide it. For instance, there is the ship. And that picture will now be associated with this report. Once you have completed the report, save, and this report will be added to the library along with all the others. And now we'll take a quick look at the suppliers page. So back to the menu, click on the suppliers icon, and you'll see a simple menu on the left-hand side. Power suppliers, general suppliers, and supplier listing. A power supplier represents a particular company that has a very deep and rich level of information embedded in our site. A general supplier has a lesser level of integration, but equally a good presence on the site, explaining its products and services. And then you have a full supplier listing. The purpose of this particular section is again to give you, the CSO, a lot of useful information around products and services that you can find and acquire from around the globe. As an example, if we click on Power Supplier, here is a company called Guardian. Click on the article, and it then takes you to a much deeper level of information in terms of text explanation about its product, an embedded video actually demonstrating its product, a slideshow, again, which helps to explain the benefits of its product, 3 embedded files which add further to the information that they want to bring across to you about its product, and then 3 links. One that goes directly to the Guardian website, another which goes directly to their contacts page, and another which goes directly to a page explaining about Guardian and its history. And a comments box where you can add any particular comment that you feel appropriate about this particular company. You may well have used its products or services and you want to point out a level of satisfaction.